Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A15 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to set voLTE settings, voice over long-term evaluation settings on a phone Samsung Galaxy A15 5G. First of all, go to the settings of your phone here and then go to connections. And here go to mobile network. In mobile network mode, we will see voLTE option. Okay, voLTE means voice over LTE. Okay, so you should at least select LTE for using voLTE. Okay, voice over LTE. LTE means long term evaluation. So voice over LTE means voice LTE is LTE means using internet. Okay, so if you are making call while you surfing the internet, then if you need at least LTE, okay, then only voice over LTE will be enabled. Okay, so here already it is available, it is set to 5G, LTE, 3G, 2G, all will be supported. So use this, or otherwise use LTE, 3G, 2G auto connect. Okay, use this, then you can use voice over LTE. Okay, then if you use LTE only internet will be used. Okay, and voice will not you cannot make call using LTE. Okay, because it is only limited to internet. Okay, if you select 3G only voice will not be enabled, and voice only enabled, and internet will not be enabled. Okay, if you use 2G only, you can use only voice. Okay, here too. Okay, so in this way you can understand that what is the voice over LTE and how to use it. Okay, here it is better to use 5G LTE, 3G, 2G, or LTE, 3G, 2G auto connect, or LTE only. Okay, so that you can speak even if you are using your internet. Okay, at the same that means simultaneously you can use both voice service and internet service. Okay, that's the meaning of voLTE. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.